In this video, I'd like to explain to you how to customize your course menu items here. Edit them, delete them, rename them, move them around, and add additional ones. First of all, before you can edit any menu items and manipulate your menu here, you must be in what is called the edit mode. It must be turned on. In the upper right hand corner, there's a button that allows you to switch the edit mode from on to off. If the edit mode is in off, then you are unable to manipulate your course menu items, as you can see. So you got to make sure that the editing mode is turned on before you can begin editing your course menu. Located to the left of every course menu item are these up and down arrows. This allows you to very quickly and easily reorganize all of your menu items simply by dragging and dropping. You'll also notice located to the right of all of the menu items is a double arrow drop down list that allows you to do various things, such as rename the menu item, hide it from the course participants so that you can see it but they can't, and delete it. Located at the top of this course that we're looking at today is a menu item called Course Homepage. That's actually a module page, and we've discussed the overview of what this page actually is in a previous video. But I can very quickly rename this to anything that I'd like, simply by clicking the drop-down list and choosing Rename. In this case, I'll change it to Course Main Page. When I'm done typing, I click the plus symbol, and now that menu item has been changed to Course Main Page. I can very quickly add another menu item by clicking the blue plus symbol in the upper left-hand corner of the menu. It allows me to create various types of menu items. For example, a course link, an external link to jump out to a website, a link to a tool such as a link to the discussion board or the groups or the help feature, a blank page, which truly is a blank page to allow you to add anything that you like, a content area so that you can create a content area for course materials or for syllabus or for tests or anything like that. And of course, the one that is brand new to Blackboard version 9.1 is the module page. If I choose Create Module Page, it's going to ask me to give it a name. And so I will simply, for simplicity's sake, call this Module Page. You'll notice when you add a new menu item, you have an option to make it available to users. If you don't put a check mark next to this, you'll be able to see the menu item, but your students won't. So we'll go ahead and put a check mark next to that. Click Submit. And now at the bottom of my menu is a brand new course module page, which of course I can reorganize and place where I'd like. If I click on it, I'm given a blank course module page, which I can then click the blue button to add a course module and begin adding pieces of content to make the course useful for both me and my students. And of course, getting rid of and deleting a course menu item is very simple. I simply click the drop-down list beside the item and choose Delete, and it's gone. It's important to keep in mind that if you do delete a menu item, there is no recycle bin, there is no undo. So once it's gone, it's gone. So be very careful when you delete stuff off of your menu. The last thing I'll mention is that you get to pick which of these course menu items that your course visitors see when they first come to your course. It's very easy to do that simply by scrolling down to your control panel, clicking the drop-down list for customization, and choosing Style. When you choose Style, you're presented with all sorts of options, such as, do I want to change my course menu from the list that you see here to buttons that are perhaps rounded or squared. You can customize the colors, the fonts, and so forth. And down here, in item number 4, it says Select Course Entry Point. By clicking the drop-down list, you get to decide which of your menu items your students will see first when they come visit your course. In this particular case of the course that we're looking at today, I chose my course module page that I've called Course Main Page. I click Submit, and that will be my true course main page when visitors come to visit my course. That's an overview of the menu, how to add items, how to set your course entry point, and how to customize the look of your menu.